Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty. Because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Heldt and Rossi SM807 DC shown here is a DC servo motor control used in a Kellenburger K70 industrial grinder. This is a very large industrial grinder used for grinding very hard materials such as ceramics and alloy metals. This servo drive controls the movement of one axis. Upon repair, we fully test this motor control as shown in the video. At ERD, we offer the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.